All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to talk about the cryptocurrency number 5, Solana. Well, this cryptocurrency is down right now about 16%. This could be a good discount buying time because we know that Solana is a fantastic cryptocurrency. We're going to do a little deep dive into their website, check out a couple new announcements, what they got going on, all kinds of good stuff with Solana. Also, we're going to talk about Solana was such a good buy in 2021. Will Solana be a good buy in 2022? So we're going to dig into an article on that. And you can now use Dogecoin to tip on Twitter. That's right, you can actually use Dogecoin to tip on Twitter. We're going to kind of talk about that. All kinds of good stuff today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's go ahead and head over to Solana. All right, over here at Coin Markets, Solana, number 5 cryptocurrency on the planet. Take a look at this. This token is being traded at $190 right this second. So $190. Now, right now, this is the top part I'm talking about the discount buy. This token is down about 16% in the last 7 days. It's up about 1% in the last 24 hours. Clicking on the coin market cap over to the right, again, it's up about 1% in the last 24 hours, trading at $190. Taking a look in the last 7 days. Last 7 days, this coin has dropped. It is actually down right now. So again, this could be a good discount buy, or some people like El Salvador likes to call it buying the dip. So it could be the good buying the dip season right this second. So jumping over to this article, Solana is on fire in 2021. Should you buy this cryptocurrency in 2022? So Solana is big in 2021, coming to an end here in about, 3 weeks or so. So is this something to have on your radar? Is this something to load back up on? Let's see what the article says. So Solana will break the US 300 resistance before 2021 ends and might even hit 500 in 2022. Solana has emerged as one of the top performing digital tokens of 2021 after a record 17,500% growth this year alone. This is being called the Ethereum killer. Solana has gained very, very good prominence among new and old investors. An ability to overstep mainstream cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum, the underlying blockchain technology has proven to edge the Solana price. Besides, the predictions suggest that Solana will break the US 300 resistance before 2021 ends. Well, this is in the next 3 weeks. I don't know about that, but okay, I'm just reading it. And it might even hit $500 in the year 2022. Let's take a look real quick. Up here to the right, it's trading at 190. They're talking about it going to 300 by the end of the year, 500 by next year. End of the year is only a little bit away. Article was written on December 8th. Although many reasons contributed to the growing interest among the investors in Solana, its price surge is solely contributed to the performance and added features. The cryptocurrency has entered the top list this year and grew from $1 billion where it started in 2021 to $70 billion today. Similar to Bitcoin's supply limit and the newly introduced burn option in Ethereum, Solana has a limited annual insurance. Currently, there are about 302 million Solana coins in circulation. Where the coins were incepted, it began by increasing its supply by 8% annually. But the figures declined 15% each year until the ultimate reach is 1.5% annually. Even though Solana prices has risen briskly, instead of just looking at the recent gains, investors should look at the timeline and check the factors that could drive the price surge. So yeah, take a look at that. Solana will break the US 300. So yeah, everybody, give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think about this? We'll come back and give us our price prediction by the end of this video here. So I wanted to kind of show you this. You can now use Dogecoin to tip on Twitter. Dogecoin co-creator Billy Marcus weighs in. A group of independent developers had made Dogecoin crypto tips on Twitter possible with the Doge tip bot. What happened in the announcement? Well, the Dogecoin community forum developed announced had deployed the Doge tip bot on Twitter so the users could send Doge tips via tweet. This is the Twitter version of the bot we've been using on Reddit since 2017. So isn't that pretty awesome, everybody? You can now tip on Twitter with Dogecoin. Couple things. If you receive a tip, And if you have not registered with the bot, you can do so by sending a message to the registration. We will send back a confirmation containing your Dogecoin address. The bot is on the chain and will use the new low fees. If a Doge tip you have sent is not claimed for more than 3 days, the amount will be returned to your account. You can withdraw from your Dogecoin address by interacting with the bot via DM, and you can also deposit Dogecoins into your Doge tip address. So yeah, everybody, you can now actually tip with Dogecoin on Twitter. Kind of something pretty neat, something pretty cool. So what do you think? Give us your comments in the bottom. Tipping with Dogecoin on Twitter, fantastic news. People thinking that Solana is going to get to 300 by the end of the year and 500 by 2022. Is this a good coin? To 17,500% increase in 2021. Go Solana. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Let's head back over to Solana. All right, over here at the website, powerful for developers, fast for everyone. Solana.com. Start building. Solana is a decentralized blockchain built to enable scalable, user-friendly apps for the world. Transactions per second, 2814. Cost of the transaction, 0.00025. Validator nodes, 1282. And the fastest growing ecosystem. Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world and the fastest growing ecosystem in crypto, with over 400 projects spanning from DeFi to NFTs to Web3 and more. Explore the ecosystem. Last time we didn't touch base on this. Today we're gonna. So it says the best companies built on Solana. FTX and Alameda. Research choose Solana for speed. So transaction, 4.3 billion. Average daily volume, 80 million. Next one, stable coins. USDC choose Solana for fast global settlement. Again, issued on Solana, 1.2 B. Average issue daily, 50 million. Okay, it's not going to stop there. Metaplex, choose Solana to elevate creators. Says average mint cost, 0.34 cents. Average auction cost, $3.01. So again, Metaplex empowers creators to build direct relationships with their audience through the custom NFT storefronts and insanely low cost minting, only possible on Solana. I mean, yeah, take a look, everybody. Average mint cost, 34 cents. Yeah, if you want to mint some NFTs, you may want to do it on Solana. Hey, let's not stop there. Let's keep going. Audience choose Solana to scale. Audience building on Solana gives the Audience community the confidence the Audience can scale with ease. Monthly active users, 5 million. So right there, we kind of went through the best companies built on Solana. So going back over here to CoinMarketCap, Solana right now is at $190. What's my price prediction? I mean, the articles are saying 300 and 500 by next year. I think this coin's going to get to 250 by the first quarter of next year, the end of first quarter. Again, all of my information is for educational purposes only, but look at all the positive things that are going on with Solana. Too many positive things. Everybody likes it. Articles are talking about it getting to 300 and 500. Hey, everybody, Solana's here to stay. Number 5 cryptocurrency on the planet right now. Gonna hit a couple of these tokens real quick for discount buys. All right, Bitcoin number 1 here is down 12%. It's trading a little bit under 50,000. Now, Ethereum is solid as can be. It's down 2% for the week, and it's up 2%, almost 2% for the day. 43.79, Ethereum at number 2. So I'm looking for some discounts. Solana right here at number 5 is down 14%. You may want to keep that on your radar, everybody. Take a look at Polkadot. It's down 18%. El Salvador buys it all the time. They buy the dip with Bitcoin. I'm just pointing out to everybody to keep this on your radar. Dogecoin is down 13% right now, 17 cents. Shiba Inu is down 12% right now in the last 7 days. Take a look at that. Crypto.com is down 13% at number 15. We're just going to go to maybe the top 20, 25. Litecoin is down 20% at number 19. Bitcoin Cash, you know we like that coin, down 17% at number 23. And Decentraland is down 13% at number 27. So I just wanted to list a couple cryptocurrencies. If you're thinking about buying the dip, put those on your radar. Remember, all the information is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. We want everybody to know about cryptocurrency, trying to help everybody learn it. Monday through Friday, we do a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays around 3 to 4 o'clock. And once in a while, we'll bring you a bonus video around 7 or 8 o'clock at night, Monday through Fridays. Hey, everybody, click right here to see our most recent video. And Solana is going to keep going to the top. You guys have a fantastic Thursday.